Alright, here's my new project. I kind of wanted to make a RC plane that looks like a paper airplane. And I'm kind of at a loss because I don't know if I should open this section up, make it look more like a paper airplane. Also, motor, where I'm going to put the motor, I was thinking about putting a hole right in the center, and then, I don't know, or opening up the back maybe. Also, another issue would be airflow. You see it's tapered here, and I was afraid I wouldn't have enough airflow, and the back of the plane would be too draggy, maybe pitching it down. I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions, it'd be awesome. If anybody ever watches this. But that's kind of what I'm going for there. Airplane, I think it'd look cool when it's flying, like an airplane. Anyway, any suggestions would be greatly appreciated.